Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to fade in and fade out in DaVinci Resolve 16. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is make sure you have a video on your timeline like I do here, and then you just want to go over to the effects library, click on that, and then you want to go to video transitions. And then I recommend not using the additive dissolve. Cross dissolve does work a little bit better. So all you have to do is click on cross dissolve and click on it and drag it over to your start of your video clip, and then also the end of your video clip. And then all you have to do is when you go on over the dissolve editing, you can go click on it and drag it to extend it. So I usually just drag it half, like leave it like about 30% each way. I just like it to be a bit of a normal clip as well in the middle of it, just so you could tell that it's actually fading in and fading out. So you just want to make it a bit on each way, just like that. And then we can go ahead and check out how the cross dissolve works. One thing I can point out as well, that you could also edit the cross dissolve a little bit as well. If you go over to the top right corner, once inspector's clicked on, you could play with it a little bit, like reversing it, easing it, doing a transition curve, things like that you could play out and try for yourself. But in this video, I'm just going to leave it as is. So let's go check out how it looks just by doing it how we did it before, and we'll check it out. So as you guys can see, it is slightly faded dark to the start, and then as it fades out, you'll see it darken up a lot as well. So I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to fade in and fade out on DaVinci Resolve. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.